So today's sessions we are going to discuss about how to draw a graph using semi-log paper. So the paper is given as a semi-log paper. So in this paper there are readings. This x-axis is already given as like this. See here given as a 1, 2, 2, 7, 8, 9, and again 1. So this one is considered as a 10. Then after that this 20, 30 as like this. That's why this will be 100. So if we consider, so this will be this is a 10. Okay, here I write 10. So 10 and this 20, 30, 40 as like this, and so that's why this will be considered as a 100. Till that this will be 200, 300, 400, 500, 700, up to that this will be considered as a 1000s. After that here I again draw this 2000s, 2000s, 3000s up to 10,000s. Okay, and there are given as what up to 1 lakh or 10,000, 20,000 as like this. Okay, so if you take a number of readings of any experiment, and if you have draw the graph, then you use semi-log paper, because in semi-log paper there are number of readings on x-axis, it will be available. So here we take one experiment. So the name of that experiment is passive band pass filter. So in this experiment here we take the number of readings for frequency and their respective output voltage. Okay, so here we draw the graph frequency versus output voltage. So this x-axis is represented as what, that is a frequency, on y-axis we take some amount of voltage. So see here are different number of readings are given. There are frequency and their respective voltage. So here given readings up to at what 4000, and if you have actual correct graph, then we use a semi-log paper. See here given readings, there are up to 4000 are there. If you use a regular graph paper, then you not draw the graph properly. Okay, so that's why we use a semi-log paper. So this graph is as like this. So there is a frequency 1, there respective voltage is 0. So the voltage output voltage is 0 for initial one frequency, first frequency. After that voltage will be increases. See this 0, 1, 3, 1.5 up to 2, 2.4, 2.7, 2.8 as like this. Up to that 2.8, see their voltage remains, it will be a constant for 2.8. After that it will be decreases 2.7, 2.6, 2.3, 1.9, up to again it will be 0. See as like this. Okay, so that so there are here different readings, or there are number of readings are given here. So that's why we use a semi-log paper. So see on this semi-log paper there are already x-axis is already given. So as like this, as here 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. Okay, so this is given. So in for here we draw a y-axis. So how to here voltage is given, or voltage is vary from what from 0 to 2.8. See 2.8 is the maximum voltage. So we draw the voltage from 1, 2 and 3, because maximum voltage is what, that is a 2.8. So for this two scale we use 1, then for 1, then 2, and this one is a 3. So here is what voltage. Okay, and here given as a on x-axis it given as a frequency. So on x-axis it is a frequency is given. Okay, that is the frequency. So we draw the graph using the given reading. So what is the first reading? See this. Okay, so here given as what, suppose this will be considered as 1, so this will be considered as 0. So this will be 0.5. Okay, this will be 1.5 and this will be 2.5. So meaning is what, these two lines is considered as, so these two lines here is considered as 0. So these two lines is considered as a 0.1, then 4 lines is considered as a 0.2. So as like this we write 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. Okay, so our reading is up to 2.8. See this, we draw the graph using our given reading. So the reading is given here. So using this reading we draw the graph one by one. We see this here given is what, that will be the, if we say the frequency 1, then voltage will be 0. So here we draw for 0 frequency, 1 frequency. Okay, so this will be the one frequency here given. See this here given, the frequency will be 1. Okay, so for one frequency we consider as a 0, so directly round up here because this is our 0 point. Okay, after that what happening there, so for second frequency, the voltage will be given as a 0.3. See this, voltage will be given as a 0.3. So where is 0.3? If we take 6 lines, then we say 0.3. For what? For second frequency. So see this second frequency, there will be 0.3, no? So how many lines are? 6 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here draw the lines. So we get a proper graphs, and it will be a easily drawable. In regular graph there will be some mistakes are there if you draw this one frequency and two frequency. So that's why we use these semi-log papers. Okay, so then we use third frequency, that will be the 0.5. For third frequency 0.5, here already given here 0.5. See this so this 0.5 is already given, so this will be the 0.3 because they will choose the 6 lines. Then for 0.5 we, for third frequency we draw the 0.5. okay, so then what, then for fourth frequency there will be 0.8. 0.8 means that will be the 16th lines are there. So see, there will be a total 10 lines are there. These are the 15th and 16th lines, so this will be there. Okay, so that for fourth frequency. So this frequency is already here draw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this will be 10, then 20 to 100, 100 to 1000, and like this. Okay, so we use all this frequency for drawing the graph. So up to yet I think we completed this part, 4 readings. We completed 4 readings from 1 to 4. Then will be for 4 it will be point, it will be draw a already draw. Then for 5, for fifth frequency we draw 1. See this, here will be the fifth frequency is given 1 2 3 4 5. For fifth frequency we draw the graph like this. Okay, then for sixth frequency it will be 1.2. so for sixth frequency 1.2 means there will be 4 lines, so this will be 1.1 and 1.2. okay, 1.2 I will draw. After that what happening there, for 6 will be 1.2 is completed. Then for 7 will be 1.3. 7, so this will be the 7 and 1.3, again 2 lines here, 5 and 6. okay, then what happening there, for 1.3 is completed at 1.4. for at 1.4 here we write 1.4, 2 extra lines are there. And for 9 that will be a 1.5. so 9 is here, so it will be simply represented as a 1.5. so it is very easy to draw the graph given say reading. So semi-log paper, it is very useful for drawing the number of, if we use the number of readings, then we draw the graph using a semi-log paper. okay, so then we complete this here, so this one by one. So 9 is completed, so for 10 reading it will be 1.7, so 1.5, 1.6 and 1.7 is there. okay, is completed. And then for 20 it will be 2, for 20 is here. okay, so this 10 will be completed here. okay, so this 10 frequency up to that point it will be completed. So then we going to 20th frequency, so directly 10 to 20, so that's why here is a large gap is there, so 10 to 20 is comes here. So 10 to 20, for 20s it will be directly 2, so it comes here. okay, then for 30 it will be 2.4, so 2.4 means what, there are 8 lines are there, so 5 lines up to 8 here, 5 6 7 and 8 lines are there. So this is what, this will be the 2.4, and here already given 2.5 is like this, but here is not 2.5 is given. For 40 it will be directly 2.7, so this will be the 40 readings is given here, so it will 2.5, 5, 2.6 and 2.7 is there. okay, for what, for a 40 frequency, the frequency is already given here. okay, I explain about this already. So for this 40s I will draw this types of graph. Then for 50 there will be 2.8, this will be the 2.7, and for 50 that will be the 2.8, so it means 16 lines, so this is 15 and Yes, this will be the 2.8 because this will be the 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, and this will be 2.8. So this 2.8 it will be constant up to 70. So for 60 will be same reading, for 70 it also same reading, but for 80 it will be decreases slightly, it will becomes to 2.7. Okay, then for what, see here 2.7, again for 90 it also 2.7, for 90 it will be again 2.7, so this point will be skipped. Then for 100 it again 2.6 is there, for 100 it will be 2.5 and one lines, two lines is there, so it will be written as 2.6 is there. So then for 200 it will be 2.3, so 200 is here, so because 100 to 200 there are large difference, so this part, this is an important thing. See here 1 2 3 4 6 5 6 7 8 9 10, it's okay. So after that 10 there is a large difference, then it will becomes each others. After that 100 to 200 there is a large distance, then again it comes here. So this because the frequency suddenly changes 100 to 200, so that's why the changes are there. Then see this is for what, 2.7, for 100 it will be a 2.6, so that's it is a 2.6. Then for 200 it will be 2.3, so 200 it will be 2.3, so 2.3 means there are 6 lines, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, so this will be the lines. Okay, this is the 2.3. Then we also draw another lines, that will be what, 300, that will be the 1.9. For 300 it will be represented 1.9, so this is 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 and 1.9, and this will be the 2. Here we write 1.9 for what, 300. After that we draw the same for what, 500. So here 500 is given as a 1.1, so this here 500 is given as a 1.1, 600 is a 0.8, 500 for 500, so 400 is 1.4, 400 is 1.4, so this will be 1.4 is given here, so this will be the 1.5, so two lines are reduced, so this will be the 1.4. And for 500 it will be the 1.1, so this will be the 1.1, there are two lines are there, so this will be 1.1 for 500. For 600 it will be given as a 0.8, 0.8, so this will be 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. For what, for 600, for 600 it will be the 0.8. So we go to the one by one lines, because here already mentions here 1000 is there. Okay, and then this completed 0.8 for 600 reading. Now we going to the another readings are there. See these last readings. 0.8 is done. So then we are going to discuss what that will be the 800 is 0.5. 800. The next line is 800. So this next line is, so 700 is remaining points. Point 5, 800 for 0.5. So for 800 0.5. Okay, so then so this is for 800 800.5 readings, and then again here given as what, that is a 900. For this 900 given as a 0.4, so 900 it will be the 0.4, so this will be the 0.5. There are two lines are reduces for 900.4. For 1000 0.3, 0.3 means 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 for 1000. Okay, so this will be correct. Then now we are going to what, see here we see this reading for 2000.2, 3000.1 and 4000 0. So we draw the graph using these types of reading. See this for 2000s, we are given as a 2000. For this 2000s we represent as a 0.2, 0.2. So this 0.1, 0.2. Okay. Okay, so then we draw last for 3000s it will be 0.1, so this will be the 3000, so this is 2000 and this is 3000. For these 3000s we draw the graph. 0.1's value is there, this 0.1 value is here, okay, and for 4000s it will be 0. So for 4000s it will be a 0, so that's why for 4000s here we see 0 readings are. Okay, so this is a total graph for this reading. So our that experiment name is what? That is a passive band pass filter. So there are number of frequencies are given here from 1 to 4000 are there. So that's why we use the semi-log paper. If you use a regular graph paper, then there are some complicated graphs are running, sir. But here is this see this graph, they are properly drawable, and these readings are there are proper distance are there. So if you draw the curve and we get slightly curve, okay, as like this, okay. So this type of curve will be drawn using this reading. Okay, so this is a graph for what? For a passive band pass filter experiment. If you give the number of frequency, then you use the semi-log paper. So using we use different readings for drawing semi-log paper. If there are given number of readings are there, for generally this will be using for a frequency purpose. Okay, so it means it any experiment there are given a number of frequencies are there, and we also take the number of observations for frequency. Then we use such a types of graph, that is a semi-log paper here given is mentioned. So this graphs is available in any stationery stores. So you take this graph and draw the number of graphs for using different readings are there. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can send these doubts on a comment box.